in 5 minutes.
You're low.
It's quite amazing that you look out like that.
Although it's depressing coming back on a night like this, great to see.
It's amazing how they get off the floor, these freaks, isn't it, with all the weight that's on them and everything.
That just goes to show how much power these engines.
And everyone has 20k of luggage. And then there's the hundreds of people themselves, what they all weigh. And there's all the fuel and everything that doesn't carry as many passengers as the A380, does it?
No. This plane probably carries about 300. The Airbus 380 probably carries about 500.
Getting lower now.
It's fine, all pollutions as well.
You're filming it.
Yep, it's like I did in Montego Bay. When you get lower, you do realise how fast these things actually are.
Yeah.
And this is like a slope. This plane right now is probably about 200 kilometres an hour, I'd say. Probably less.
I'll have to watch your
But they
film.
go to about 1,000 kilometres an hour.
I'll have to watch your film.
Wait to Granny and Bumper.
Putting it like all together, because I have to like some pictures and videos and everything and putting it all together in one video when we get back in a couple of days.
Nearly there now.
There's Manchester.
Not the smoothest.
Swerved a little bit.
Hey?
I think he swerved a little bit.
It did it.
Dead, didn't it?
That was one of the heaviest landings ever.
Oh, it wasn't. I can't remember where it was, but
No,
I
we've had
remember
worse than that.
there was one where it just literally slammed on the tarmac.
Morocco, I think.
Do you remember the one where, was it Turkey or Barcelona, when he was just about to land and we had to take off again?
Turkey it was. We
Because
found
there was something on the runway.
debris on the
He was just about to touch down in Turkey and we had to take off again, just as we were nearly hitting the
Well, we
runway.
did hit the wheels did hit the floor and then
No,
you
it
revved.
didn't hit the floor.
I thought they did.
No.
And you revved back up again and went back up in the air.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Manchester, where the local time is 15
Yay,
minutes past
back to
5 in the
England.
morning. We're pleased to advise you we've arrived back in Manchester 30 minutes ahead of schedule. For everyone's safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched on. Now we have landed and vacated the runway, you can use your handheld electronic devices to make and receive calls and messages onto the aircraft horizon stand, and the doors are open. Before leaving us, please ensure you have all your personal items with you. Take a look in the seat pocket, under the seat, and the overhead compartments. Take care when opening the overhead compartments that nothing has moved during the flight that could fall out and hurt someone. For information, any items of lost property will be handed to our agents here in Manchester with the Swiss port, and there will be a small charge to retrieve these items. For those customers who were given additional seatbelts, life jackets, please leave these on your seats prior to leaving the airplane. If you have checked in the child's buggy, you'll be able to collect this with your luggage in the arrivals hall. Any customers who have requested assistance, please do remain seated until all customers have disembarked the airplane, and then the cabin crew will be happy to give you further assistance. You need to have your passports ready for inspection by the immigration authorities here in Manchester. Remind you once again, the smoke is not permitted. This includes the use of electronic cigarettes. Here at Thomson Airways Choice, we're very interested to hear about your whole holiday experience, from the booking process, resort service, your hotel accommodation. In a few days' time, you will receive a new online questionnaire asking for your feedback by email. The feedback is very important and is used internally to monitor performance and trends. We'd be very grateful if you would complete this quick online questionnaire upon your return home. You'll also be entered into a competition to give you a chance to win £2,500 off your next holiday with us. Thomson Airways carries more people to more holiday destinations than any other holiday airline. If you're already dreaming of your next getaway, remember to visit our Thomson First Choice travel shops, and visit our websites thomson.co.uk and firstchoice.co.uk for inspiration. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, the pillows and blankets, duvets and pillows you have made use of on your flight home this evening, may we ask you to leave these on the seats. These items are recycled and used on future long-haul flights with Thomson Airways. Once the air bridge has been put in place, we'll be inviting our premium club customers to disembark the aircraft first. So finally, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the captain, your cabin crew, we hope you enjoyed your flight with us as much as you have enjoyed having you on board. We'd like to wish you safe and pleasant on the journey. Thank you for flying with Thomson Airways, and we look forward to seeing you